Actually, today, guys, we're playing Jailbreak, and that emo adds something new, and I just realized that, like, look, he adds something new. So I be a prisoner. Oh, this is just my cousin chatting. You M12. Okay, here. Jailbreak update. 6 days left. Oh man, I need to poop. Just joking. I need to close the door. Yeah, I just came to close the door. And wait, I need to put the camera here. There. Okay. Where's officers? Oh, this is probably broken. It's like so broken. Oh, didn't even play. Oh. Open. Ouch. No, it just so important. Go. Need my deja vu car. And we go. Oh, wait. I don't have any fuel, guys, and wait, how to, oh, cute. I forgot about that, didn't even since play Jailbreak for long. Woo! Okay, I need to close the door, I think. Okay, I need to close the door. Okay, we're back, and I just, okay, go. And even, ooh, don't even try it, you. It will not work. It's too late. How? Who's that? Okay. What the heck? Random guy came. Why me? You. Okay, guys, we're back, and good thing I keep getting arrested many times, and I don't have enough money for this, and even buy that. Wait, you guys probably know there's new updates in Jailbreak. Need the deja vu car. Wait, let me get back. This is more drifting. This one is not that good. Wait. I need a deja vu car, then I can drift better. Oh, I just flip. You even flip when you drive in the road. Okay. I need a deja vu car. It's my favorite thing. I know where it is because seriously now. See, they add new updates. So this is probably something. Can I check on the 1 million? What's this? What the? Do I need a key card for this? Are you serious now? Am I seeing what I'm seeing now? Wait, I need to close my eyes. Okay, this is real. I'm seeing what I'm seeing. What the? It just add. Oh my. Oh, at least there's something there. Oh my. Did bad emo just add that? Oh, and need to get the deja vu card. Really important. Where's that? I know it's here. I know it's here. See? Come on. You see this? Open for robbery. Okay. Go, 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 go. Fast. Oh, damn it. Oh, oh no. Come on. Come on. Oh. Okay. You got this. I like drifting cars. Can I just use my... Oh, come on. Duh, did I just die? Wait. Woo! See? It drifts so much better than that what I'm riding before. The default car. Okay. Did they update the bank? I didn't even play Jailbreak for like 1 year already. I didn't even play this game. At least for 2 months, I think. And I start playing. And I didn't even... I played yesterday, but I didn't... Oh. Whatever. I will rob jewelry. Well, we just came to check that. And let me just... Oh, police officer. Damn. Oh, yeah, a shotgun. Oh, machine gun. Nope. You are dead. Oh, almost dead. Do you have a key card? Okay. No key card. How do? Okay. Is this open? Okay. This is closed. Okay, let's get into a... Oh. Alright. Like, no one can arrest me around. Okay. Now it's safe. Here. Okay. I hope you enjoy it, guys, and please like and subscribe. Hello. Let me get on this car. Oh, so fast. Please. Wait. Thank you. Even though it's lit. Wait, don't want to be with you. We will end the video together. You serious now? Okay, peace.